Guys, we got approximately 25 pieces of hydraulics, some new. These are brass fittings here. I don't think they've been used. They got the plugs in them yet. We've got a rake. We've got two big funnels. They don't make them like this anymore. These things are 10-inch diameter. We've also got a quart can here, a half-gallon can. We've got another pump, little oil can. We've got 3 chains. 2 chains with no hooks, 1 chain with 2 hooks, both hook on both ends, and chain there with 1 hook on one end. All that for one money, and that